Hi everyone, welcome to SAP World. In this video we will learn how to reverse posted documents in SAP. What is the document reversals? In SAP system we have option to reverse documents using by reverse document functionality. By using this functionality we can reverse the documents with specific reasons. Individual reversals. By using this function we can reverse a single document. Most of the cases users using the individual reversals. Reverse of reversal. Example: some cases we reverse a document which is not necessary to reverse. In that scenarios we will reverse a document of reversal. Mass reversal. By using this function we can reverse group of document by single click. Before we go reversal posting we have to define document type for reversal posting. Define document types T-code FB08. Click on AB accounting document. Do not make any changes. Click on number range information. Enter company code. Click on create intervals. Number range interval for 02 already created. Click on back arrow. Click on save. Next define reversal reasons. SPRO. Click on IMG reference. Financial accounting. General ledger accounting. Business transactions. Adjustment posting reversal. Define reason for reversal. Click New Entry. Give available reason code alpha or numeric. Give your own reversal reason in text field. Select negative posting date. Click on Save. Next select documents for reversal posting. I have selected this for documents to post reversal entries. Document number 1, document number 2, document number 3 and document number 8. For post individual reversals T-code FB08. Select document number. Select reversal reason. Click on Display before reversal. Check the document details and click on Back. Select Present posting date. Click on Save. Document 3101 was posted in company code time. Go to Document, select Display Document. Document number 1 was reversed to document number 3101. Posting 50 rent account credited. Posting 40 bank account debited. In this document posting keys and document type is reversed. And document number was changed. If you click on reversal document we can see which document we reversed. Click on Go to and click on Document Header. Here we can see the reverse document type AB. Next reverse of reversal. T-code F-02. Click on Document. Select Post with reference. Select document number. Select Generate reverse posting. Click on Enter. Click on Enter again. Click on Save. Document 3102 was posted in company code time. Go to Document, select Display Document. In this document, posting keys are reversed. Document type was not reversed. Document type AB. Next, mass reversals T-code F.80. In mass reversal functionality, we can select documents sequential and non-sequential. I have 3 documents in non-sequential order to post mass reversal. Select company code. If I have documents 1 to 10, we can select this 2 document fields. But we have documents numbers 1, 2 and 8. For that, we have option to select single entries from different numbers. Enter document number in single fields. Click on tick mark and click on execute. Next, select fiscal year. Next, select reversal reason. I am selecting 01 for reversal in current period. Select test run and click on execute. These other documents are going to be reversed. Click on reverse documents. Document number 2 reversed with 3103. Document number 3 reversed with 3104. Document number 8 reversed with 3105. Just like this, we can reverse the documents using by mass reversal functionality. In this video, we have learnt how to reverse documents in SAP. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.